In the sequence of stories of superhit films shown on Khabar Tak, the new link that I have brought you today is the story of film Kali Charan. This film was brought on the silver screen in 1976 and was a grand success. The film was directed by the legend director Subhas Ghai, and this was his debut directing film. The lead role of this film were played by the famous pair of Shatrughan Sinha and Reena Rai. The role of villain was played by Ajit, supported by Madan Puri and Danny Ranjappa. This film had many a good dialogues, a few line I repeat for you. तुम्हें गलत फहमी हुई है प्रभाकर, मेरे पास भला इन देशद्रोहियों के सुराग कैसे हो सकते हैं। मैं गरीबों का, जनता का सेवक हूँ, उनके दुश्मनों का भी दुश्मन हूँ। हर चीज का दुश्मन है आप। दोस्ती के आड़ में छिपे हुए सबसे खतरनाक दुश्मन हैं आप। इस बात की जानकारी मुझे तब लगी जब आपने अपने ही गिरोह के रघु की हत्या करवा दी थी। दैट इज, यू हैव मिसअंडरस्टूड प्रभाकर। हाउ कैन हैव आई द idea of the traitors, whereas I myself am servant of poor people and enemy of their enemies. You are the enemy of everything. You are the most dangerous enemy hidden under the mask of friendship. I came to know about this the day you got Raghu, a man of your gang, killed. This film had many melodious song and beautiful dances. The music director of this film was Kalyan ji and Anand ji, and the voiceover was given by the legend singer Lata Mangeshkar, Kishore Kumar, and Asha Bhosle. A few of the song I buzz for you. जा रे जाओ हर जाई, देखी तेरी कदराई, तुझको दिल देकर बैठी, दिल के दुश्मन से यारी, तुझको आंखों में भर के मर गई मैं तुझ पे मर के, पत्थर की पूजा करके देखो मैं हारी, जा रे जाओ हर जाई। ये पल चंचल खो न देना इसे कहीं ओ दीवाने, ऐसे पल आते नहीं रोज दिल को लुभाने, साकी भी है जाम भी है रंगों भरी शाम भी है, देखो ये न जाए ये पल निकल, ये पल चंचल। बार बार तुमको हम सबका प्रणाम, हाँ सबका प्रणाम, तुम कितने बड़े हो कितने महान, हाँ कितने महान, ये बात भला ये क्या जाने, इसे तुम जानो और मैं जानूं, बार बार तुझको हम सबका प्रणाम, सबका प्रणाम। 1/2, 2/4, छोटी छोटी बातों में बट गया संसार, नहीं बटा है नहीं बटेगा, ओ मम्मी डैडी का प्यार, मम्मी डैडी का प्यार. Now let me tell you the story in full of film Kalicharan. The film Kalicharan begins with the continuous ringing of the phone of Deen Dayal, played by Ajit, who is involved in various criminal activities, including black marketing and drug smuggling under the name Lion. After a while, when his trusted person, Bhagwan, calls him in a semi sleep state, he says, "Tell me, Bhagwan, what is the matter?" To which he replies that since you are not picking up the phone, the businessmen are calling me and harassing me. The traders say that on Lion's advice they have brought all the wheat from the market, but by doing so they seem to be getting caught. Then Deen Dayal alias Lion says that tell those traders not to worry because this wheat is no longer going to be wheat but gold. And so he himself sleeps comfortably and let me sleep too. On this, his girlfriend questions him about the phone call coming so late at night. Then he says that it is okay, it was a call related to business, and saying this, he goes to sleep with his girlfriend. The next day, all the businessmen came to Lyon's office and showed him a news related to the government's decision published in the newspaper. According to this news, to control inflation, the government is going to import 1 lakh tons of wheat from abroad and release it in the Indian market. On this, all the traders start blaming Lion that on his advice they have bought all the wheat from the market and filled their warehouse with it. Now, as per the government's decision, when cheap wheat from foreign countries will be sold in the market, then who will buy their expensive wheat? In such a situation, he will all be looted. On this, Lion's man tells those traders that your people have benefited time and again on Lion's advice. This time too, Lion will definitely do something. On this, Lion says that the wheat which is government ordering will land safely at the Mumbai port and go to the markets, then the wheat will be cheaper. After this, with the help of his goons, he blows up the ship carrying wheat in the sea itself. Due to the illegal activities of black marketing like Deen Dayal alias Lion, the public is starving for food. Then the minister questions I.G. Khanna, played by Prem Nath, about the lack of control over crime. He questions him about the lack of control over crimes. I.G. Khanna tells him that now the police will soon be able to control the criminals because he has called back DSP Prabhakar, played by Shatrughan Sinha. Prabhakar has started working responsibly from the day of his posting. In this regard, first of all, he advises the policemen of his own office to stop being careless and be alert like the police. Then they are caught doing black marketing. The criminals goes to Raghu to know the name of his boss. When Raghu does not reveal the name of his boss, whose truck he drives, even after beating repeatedly, then Prabhakar asks him to reveal his reality to his sister Sapna, played by Reena Rai, who think her brother is a very influential man. This trick of Prabhakar works, but when he tells the name of his master as Lion, even Prabhakar gets shocked and asks him if he knows that he is talking about such an influential man of the city. Then Raghu again tells the name of his master as Lion. He tells Prabhakar that the truth is very bitter to swallow and does not go down easily. Then he says that now his life is not going to be saved. DSP Prabhakar promises to keep him safe and then comes to his room and starts calling IG Khanna. Before he could contact the IG, he receives a call from his children, Chinky Pinky. His sister Anju, played by Alka, says that the children were insisting, so I called you should reach the station on time. We have to take the children to Simla. Then Prabhakar tells her that he will not be able to reach on time and ask her to do all the shopping for the children. After this, Prabhakar goes to the IG's office to tell him all this. Here he finds IG Khanna talking to Deen Dayal, that is Lion. Although IG Khanna calls him his best friend, he rejects his invitation to birthday party and tells him not to waste money. Also seeing Prabhakar there, he says that he trusts only two people. One lion's cub is for you and the other lion's cub is for Prabhakar. He talks about making them fight face to face one day. Then he tells Prabhakar to tell him later the work for which he has come, because right now he is going to drop his son to Simla. He then leaves and Prabhakar returns to his office. When Prabhakar returns to his office, he is informed about Raghu's death. Prabhakar is shocked to hear this, but when he goes to the lockup and checks, he finds Raghu dead. After Raghu's murder, DSP Prabhakar comes to Deen Dayal alias Lion and asks him some questions related to Raghu's murder. To this, Deen Dayal says that he works for the welfare of the people and hence does not know anything about traitors. Then DSP Prabhakar tells him that you know everything and you are the root cause of it. On this he says that, do I have blood on my hands that you are talking like this? Then DSP Prabhakar leaves from there saying that he will give the proof very soon. Deen Dayal alias Lion gets scared after hearing this from DSP Prabhakar. He thinks that he will expose him now. Then he gets his goons to cause an accident with a truck. Prabhakar gets badly injured in the truck accident. He is then brought to the hospital for treatment. At the time of Prabhakar's accident, IG Khanna has come to the railway station to send Prabhakar's children and his sister to Simla. DSP Prabhakar's children are a little sad because their father has not come and talked to IG Khanna about taking their father along to receive them at the railway stations while returning. When DSP Prabhakar feels that he will not survive, he writes Lion on a piece of paper with a pen. At this time, the outgoing jailer David also comes to the hospital for his checkup. Seeing IG Khanna there, he comes near him. IG Khanna tells him that DSP Prabhakar, who was like his son, has died in a road accident, and started crying. When David sees Prabhakar's dead body, he says that this is not DSP Prabhakar but a prisoner Kalicharan. Then he calls the jail and inquires whether the prisoner Kalicharan is still in the jail or not. Then the current jailer tells him that prisoner Kalicharan is still in the same jail. On this, he tells IG Khanna that the looks of both are exactly the same. Hearing this, an idea comes to IG Khanna's mind. Then he calls the jail and inquires whether the prisoner Kalicharan is still in the jail. Kalicharan is still in the same jail. On this, he tells David that he will use this Kalicharan at the place of Prabhakar. Then he tells the hospital management to bring an article written by Prabhakar before his death, and sends the hospital management not to declare Prabhakar dead, but get a news in the newspaper that he was being sent for the better treatment anywhere. After this, IG Khanna told the doctor to hide the news of Prabhakar. Meanwhile, IG Khanna gets permission from the central government to keep a prisoner for police work. After getting the approval from the government, IG Khanna along with former jailer David come to the jail to meet Kalicharan. At this time, Kalicharan is trying to kill the police with the chain that is attached to his handcuffs. The police again tie him in handcuffs and shackles and bring him to IG Khanna. IG Khanna asks the police to open his handcuffs and shackles. IG Khanna treats him sympathetically. Then next day, IG Khanna let him drink a glass of milk with his own hands.
On this, he tells him not to try to become his father, but then thinking that he will be able to escape from there, he agrees to come along with IG Khanna. Deendayal alias Lion is angry with his man because he could not kill him and make his body disappear, but he is afraid that Prabhakar might get better by getting better treatment. However, his man talks about finding Prabhakar from wherever he is getting treatment. Former jailer David was listening to IG Khanna and Kalicharan. He asked the IG when is he going to Bombay. On this, IG Khanna says that first he is taking Kalicharan to Simla to meet Prabhakar's child and his sister. There both he and Prabhakar's sister Anju will first change his brain. He will remove all the bitterness in his heart. After this, he will be brought to Bombay as DSP and will start his campaign to deal with the criminals. The next day, IG Khanna comes to Simla with Kalicharan. Prabhakar's sister Anju, on seeing Kalicharan, starts hugging him lovingly, calling his brother, but Kalicharan scolds her and drives her away, saying that he is not his brother. Then IG Khanna asks the guard to take Kalicharan to the upstairs room. IG Khanna gives Anju all the information related to DSP Prabhakar. Hearing this, Anju starts crying. IG Khanna sympathizes with her and tells her that Prabhakar had written about a criminal in his last days. That is why I have brought the criminal Kalicharan with me to expose him and get him punished. On the other hand, Kalicharan comes to the upper room and thinks about running away from there. But the guard present there interrupts his work by asking him if he wants to drink tea or milk. Angered by this, he slaps the guard 3 or 4 times and sends him away from there, and then when he gets a chance, he himself runs away. IG Khanna gets very upset when the guard informs him about Kalicharan's escape. Kalicharan runs away from there and lies down on the roof of a vehicle carrying a group of girls to a tourist spot in Simla. No one knows about his act. When the vehicle stops at the designated spot, one of the girls goes to the roof to get her luggage with them. Kalicharan kicks her. Then she, out of fear, discusses this matter with all her friends. On this, Sapna, who is Raghu's sister, also talks of going upstairs and looking into the matter. Seeing Kalicharan lying on the roof, she too gets frightened and runs down and asks the police to go up to the roof and arrest the person present there. When the police goes to the roof, they find no one there. After having there, Sapna wakes him up by shaking him, thinking he is one of her friends. When she finds Kalicharan sleeping there instead of one of her friends, she calls the police and gets him arrested. At first, Kalicharan wants to run away from there, but after being caught by the police, he sometimes tells her his name as Prabhakar and sometimes Kalicharan. Then he deceives her, the police, by claiming him to be a friend of IG of Bombay. The next day, after returning to the hostel, Sapna comes to meet her friend Anju. During the conversation, Sapna brags to Anju about her bravery, that how during that tour she helped catch a criminal who sometimes tells his name as Prabhakar, sometimes as Kalicharan, and sometimes she talks about being a friend of your daddy, IG Khanna. Hearing this, IG Khanna goes to meet him and brings Kalicharan back with him. Sapna invites IG Khanna along with Anju and Kalicharan to attend a colorful program to be held in the evening at her hostel. Although Kalicharan enjoys a lot with everyone at the program organized at Sapna's hostel, he escapes from there when he gets a chance in the middle. Then IG Khanna catches him and brings him back and locks him in a cell. He does not even give him food at night. In the morning during breakfast, Anju tells him to go and give him food herself. When Anju goes to give him food, he hits her hand hard and makes her drop the food. Anju looks at him with disappointment. Then he looks at Anju and says that he had hit her hand thinking that he was a guard. By then, I.G. Khanna arrives there and explains the importance of bread to Kalicharan and asks him what all people do for this bread, yet many people do not get enough food to eat. And you dropped it. Then he asks Kalicharan, why are you angry with me? Is it because I brought you with me to make you a good citizen, which you could not achieve even in 10 births? I lost to you. You can run away wherever you want. I will spend jail time in your place. Be happy wherever you are. Then he gets angry and tells the guard to tell the driver to take him in the car and drop him wherever he wants to go. Despite being impressed by I.G. Khanna, Kalicharan mutters to himself that the old man lectures a lot, but he will definitely run away from here. After this, when he is packing all his things, Anju arrives there. She has a Raksha Sutra in her hand, which she wants to tie on Kalicharan's wrist. On this, Kalicharan says that he does not want to tie Rakhi, a sacred thread, to her. Then she says that her luck is bad. When she tied Rakhi to his brother, he left this world. Then she got another brother, but he also once left her and goes somewhere else. Then she leaves the Rakshasut, the sacred thread, there and says that wherever you go, be happy. May all your troubles fall on me. After this, she wants to leave from there. Then Kalicharan stops her and makes her tie the Rakhi on his wrist. After this, he says that here everyone is only concerned about themselves. Till now, no one has asked me why I want to run away. Continuing the conversation, Kalicharan told Anju that this is the first time I am telling you a secret. I too had a younger sister like you, whom I loved very much. She too loved me very much. At that time, I used to work in a gun factory making cartridges. I was very fond of shooting. People used to come to watch me shoot, but overall my income was so less that I was not able to arrange dowry for the marriage of my grown-up sister. The talks were going on in place, but that too was getting delayed day by day due to inability to give dowry. One day when I returned home from work, I saw that my colleague Sethi had come to my house with another person, and my sister Geeta was treating him with respect, considering him to be my friend. Then Sethi told me that I have solution for your sister's marriage if you listen to me. Then he told me that your target is very strong. You have to target Seth Ramdas' wife, whom he wants to get rid of. Then I refused to do so. Then my sister Geeta came to me with a letter from her in-laws. In that letter, it was written to pay the tilak amount soon. There was a fear of this marriage breaking if the dowry amount was not paid soon. Then I decided that I would go to Geeta's future father-in-law and clarify everything. When I went there and told Geeta's future father-in-law about my capabilities, this time he agreed for the marriage. I came home happily to tell this to Geeta and to prepare for the marriage. Then I decided that I would go to Geeta's future. I came home happily, but here I found everything looted. Sethi and his companions had beaten my sister badly before raping her. Then the villagers said that they had seen Geeta going towards the railway track. When I went there, I saw that Geeta had committed suicide. I was furious and went to Sethi's house to kill him, but Sethi was not there. Then one day, Sethi killed Seth Ramdas' wife and blamed me for it. I was sentenced to life imprisonment by the court for this charge. I have decided that I will do any work only after killing Sethi and taking revenge of my sister's insult. That is why I was always trying to escape from jail. On this, Anju tells him that you will not gain anything from this. My brother Prabhakar was also killed due to the conspiracy of such criminals, but if you get him punished legally, it will have a big impact on the society. After this, Kalicharan agrees to Anju and agrees to work as DSP Prabhakar. After that, Anju brings him to IG Khanna, whom she calls daddy, and he also jumps with joy. Sapna calls Anju to her on this. She talks about her busy schedules on this. Sapna says that your daddy has come, that is why you are not paying attention to me. Then she goes there and sees Anju's daddy and Kalicharan and lives from there. Kalicharan is now mentally prepared to become Prabhakar. He tells IG Khanna that first of all he is a very simple man, and secondly he is not educated to the level of a DSP, nor does he know anything about Prabhakar. On this, IG Khanna says that he will be told everything and given proper training. Talking about Prabhakar, IG Khanna said that he was a brave police officer of the country who was martyred by traitors in an accident. Even shortly before his death, he tried to expose the traitors, saying his last wish to teach a lesson to the traitors. I choose you as his replacement to complete his unfinished work by not saluting him after death. After this, he reads out the Kalicharan, the letter sent to him by Prabhakar's children. In this letter, it is said that if I don't take their father to Simla on Parents' Day on 14th November, then the children will get angry with him. Then he asked Kalicharan that now you tell me what answer will I give to the children on that day. After Prabhakar and Kalicharan starts his work, IG Khanna sees him at Prabhakar's children's school on the 14th November during the Children's Day function organized by the school, where both of Prabhakar's children are expressing their feelings by singing a song. Prabhakar's children are singing a song, very emotional song about their parents, seeing other children coming with their parents. Both of Prabhakar's children become emotional. Kalicharan also pampers both the children by taking them in his lap, just like Prabhakar. Seeing him doing this, both Anju and Sapna are very happy. After this, Kalicharan erases his identity and completely imitates Prabhakar's looks and mannerism and comes to the office for posting. DSP Prabhakar asks about everyone's well-being but does not treat anyone harshly. He succeeds in winning the trust of the police personnel by telling the policemen who hid the beedi on his left hand that doing so will burn his hands. On the other hand, the jailer, while releasing an educated prisoner, Manav says that you are educated, why don't you do some good work? To this, he replies that now the arrangement of food for me can be made only in the jail and not anywhere else. DSP Prabhakar present there laughs at this. Then IG Khanna reaches there and asks him to come to his house. When DSP Prabhakar reaches IG Khanna's house, he is playing chess with Deen Dayal alias Lion. Deen Dayal, while putting IG Khanna's minister in danger, says that he kills all those who come in his way. Then he asks him to save his minister. IG Khanna does not take this seriously and sees it is a joke during the game. But Deen Dayal wants to know where Prabhakar is hiding and what he has done till now. Then Kalicharan, disguised as Prabhakar, makes a move to save IG Khanna's minister and talks to Deen Dayal about saving his minister. Then Deen Dayal tells him that you are playing a good game. Then IG Khanna tells him to go to another room. Deen Dayal asks IG Khanna whether Prabhakar must have told him something about the persons who attacked him. On this, IG Khanna says that his memory was gone, so he could not say anything. But if that criminal comes in front of me, I swear on my father that the law will decide him later, but I will decide him first. After that, early in the morning, Deen Dayal alias Lion calls DSP Prabhakar while he is in sleep. DSP Prabhakar asks who is calling. Then he first talks about random things, in response to which he says a few words of Kalicharan before telling his name as Prabhakar. But when he insists on telling Deen Dayal that your father must have given some name to the work, tell me that name. To this he says that father has given me a name and I have also given me a name. To this Prabhakar asks him to tell the name he has given. Then he tells his name as Death. On this Prabhakar says that if you tell me your address, I will come to your house and tell you your place. After this, he disconnects the call. The next day, Prabhakar puts everyone connected to number 7 in jail. Then I.G. Khanna, seeing his such deed, forcibly sends him on a month's leave, asking him to rest for a few more days. When there is no work at home one day, suddenly the picture of his sister Geeta and her murderer Sethi flashes in his mind and he decides to run away from here to take revenge. He is about to run away with his belongings when both the children of Prabhakar wake up talking about someone shooting his father in the dream. He cries his sorrow that he does not even have a mother. If his father also dies, then who will support these people? Then these people will also give up their lives. Kalicharan also gets emotional after listening to the children and changes his mind, saying that he will not go anywhere. When Raghu's sister Sapna returns home from Simla, her mother tells her about Raghu's death. On this, she vows to kill his murderer. Then her mother tells her that when Prabhakar, such an honest police officer, went out in search of those who killed him, these people arranged to kill him. In such a situation, how will you, being a girl, be able to face them? But Sapna decides to kill her brother's murderer and she goes to Raghu's friend Manas, who was released from the jail by the new jailer and DSP Prabhakar, and tells him that you are my brother Raghu's friend, you know where my brother Raghu used to hang out. Then he tells her about a liquor den. Sapna goes to this den fully prepared and introduces herself as a criminal from Goa. She says that Raghu's boss owes her rupees 40,000. But she herself does not recognize Raghu's boss. In such a situation, if he supports her, then she is ready to do a deal on 50-50. This liquor contractor working for Deen Dayal alias Lion agrees to work with Sapna, but then he takes Sapna inside and tries to rape her. On this, Sapna takes out a knife and threatens him, saying that first we should finish our work, the rest will be taken care of later. Then the other criminal present there snatches the knife from her hand. Then Sapna helplessly starts running here and there. The criminals pounce on her like wolves. Then he sees Prabhakar in front of her. She expresses surprise on seeing him here, and then both of them together beat up criminals. Prabhakar gives all those criminals a chance to escape from there. Then both of them return to their respective homes. From there, Prabhakar goes to I.G. Khanna. I.G. Khanna is praising Kalicharan to the previous jailer David and telling him that he is no longer the prisoner Kalicharan of your time, but he is the new Prabhakar of my time, who has come as death for the criminals. Then he praises his work and says that now you can join your job again. After this, when Prabhakar is leaving from there and going to his home, Sapna meets him and says that she had heard everything about him. He is really great, praising him. Sapna admits to loving him. The criminals who was beaten up by the Prabhakar and Sapna now wants to take revenge from them. One of the criminals tells that next day Prabhakar along with IG's daughter and Sapna is going to Jaggu Basti in Saka area to attend charity event. On this, the first criminal says that now it is not possible to kill him at the main places. So they will have to search for a deserted place. But when he is going to Saka's house, who is Avatar's brother, Saka will not spare him. When Prabhakar goes to Jaggu Basti with Anju and Sapna, he sees poor people standing in a long queue at Saka's ration shop. After giving ration items to one or two people, Saka's man puts up a board saying that there is ration is over. And one of Saka's other men tells the people that whoever needs kerosene oil and ration can take it from the back door at higher price. When some people talk about not being able to buy expensive things due to poverty, Saka's man tells them to go somewhere and die and starts running away from there after, threatening everyone. Then Prabhakar reaches there and talks to Saka's men about giving ration to everyone. On this, the man threatens Prabhakar in the name of Saka. Then Prabhakar talks about introducing him to Saka. Saka is sitting there with some other criminals when Prabhakar takes out his pistol and talks about arresting him for not giving ration to everyone and for hoarding and black marketing. Saka taunts him, saying that he had heard that Prabhakar is very brave, but looking at you, it seems that you show your strength only with the help of this toy pistol. On this, he throws away the pistol. Then Saka gives a trident to Prabhakar and says that he is devotee to God Kali, and hence he will fight with this trident only. If he does not know to use trident, then he should beg for his life and go away from here. On this, Prabhakar says that he is also the feet of Goddess Kali, and hence he will fight with him only with the trident given by him. Also, since Saka is lame on one leg, he also fight with Saka by tying one of his legs. When he defeats Saka and Saka bows down to Prabhakar and accepts to be his friend, Seth Deen Dayal's right-hand man and Saka's brother Bhagwan arrives there. He scolds Saka and coaxes Prabhakar to settle the matter. From there, Bhagwan comes back to Seth Deen Dayal. Seth Deen Dayal is playing with his pet dog. Avtar wants to know about these dogs. On this, Seth Deen Dayal alias Lion says that he no longer trusts the old dogs. Now he himself will settle Prabhakar's case in his own way. On this, Avtar expresses remorse over Saka's behavior, but Seth Deen Dayal alias Lion sticks to his words and says that to settle this matter, he has called a killer Jagira, played by Madan Puri from South India. Jagira, while introducing himself to Avtar, tells him that the only difference between him and Seth Deen Dayal is that I kill openly and Seth Deen Dayal alias Lion gets the murders done from behind the scene. The police is after me and Deen Dayal has fun with the police. On this, Seth Deen Dayal says that now he should tell the price of his work. On this, Jagira fixes the deal for rupees 2 lakhs. When Seth Deen Dayal alias Lion asks Jagira who will kill, then he points out towards his dumb son and tells that he committed 34.5 murders. When Seth Deen Dayal questions him about the half murder, he says that he let the man go because he had not paid the advance. Seth Deen Dayal gives Jagira the advance money. When I.G. Khanna is going to Delhi as per the schedule, the Seth Deen Dayal alias Lion's man calls DSP Prabhakar and tells him that I.G. Khanna has reached Delhi. He has asked Riya to go to the Central Library at 3:30 p.m. When Prabhakar wants to know the reason for going there, then it is told that on the phone call that this is an urgent and confidential matter. This will be told to you only when you reaches the Central Library. Meanwhile, I.G. Khanna's plane gets cancelled. On his return, he overhears a telephone conversation between Prabhakar and Seth Deen Dayal alias Lion's man and goes to meet Prabhakar. He tells Prabhakar that it was a coincidence that his fight had cancelled and he returned back, but now it is necessary to expose the criminals. When Prabhakar talks about going there, I.G. Khanna says that you must go there but with full preparation. When Prabhakar reaches the Central Library, a library assistant gives him a book. There is a letter in the book by which he is told to go out of the toilet gate and go to the temple in front. When he goes to the temple in front, he is given prasad by the priest and a letter was also in it. He is told to go to the sand sculpture on the seashore. When Prabhakar goes there, he finds a letter there too and is told that he has a transmitter and a pistol and he should remove them and then go to the ruins in front. As per the letter, after removing the pistol and the transmitter, Prabhakar goes to the ruins due to the transmitter being left behind. I.G. Khanna, who was monitoring all this in the headquarters, loses his contact. When Prabhakar comes to the rooms and looks around, he sees a boy. So seeing a boy looming there, he gets suspicious and shoots at him with his pistol. Then the boy raises his hands in surrender and slowly moves towards him. As soon as he comes near, he quickly takes out the knife hidden behind him and stabs Prabhakar. Prabhakar saves himself for this attack and shoots at him again from another pistol he had. When Prabhakar goes to him, he finds a letter there too. It says that it is a dumb. He should be taken to the hotel. The rest of things will happen there. When Prabhakar takes him to the hotel, Jagira is sitting with Seth Deendayal in disguise, and all another are only Seth Deendayal and Jagira as criminals. Seth Deendayal talks to Jagira about killing DSP Prabhakar. Now himself here, Prabhakar is dancing with that dancer and keeping an eye on everyone. On the other hand, Jagira wants to find an opportunity to shoot him. Just then, IG Khanna arises there and disguise of Santa Claus. As soon as Jagira wants to shoot Prabhakar with the pistol, IG Khanna, disguised as Santa Claus, shoots at Jagira and looking at his face says that this is Jagira, which the police was looking for since a long time. However, in the meantime, IG Khanna informs Seth Deendayal about his disguise, due to which Deendayal leaves from there. After this incident, when Prabhakar comes home, Sapna hugs him, saying that what would have happened to me if something had happened to you? I would have died. Then the children and Anju also come there and everyone is laughing and joking. Then IG Khanna goes there and tells Prabhakar that on the occasion of New Year, Seth Deendayal has opened a hotel named Lion Hotel. You take everyone to its inauguration. DSP Prabhakar takes everyone to the inauguration ceremony of Lion Hotel, and here Seth Deendayal welcomes them all. At the same time, he says DSP Prabhakar to tell two things. One is that friendship is always better than enmity. However, DSP Prabhakar says that if there is no imbroglio in it, then he asks him to say the second thing. Then Deendayal invites him to his house and says that the other things will be told there. After this, he leaves and Prabhakar enjoys the hotels with Sapna, Anju and the children. Prabhakar, who is enjoying with everyone in the hotel, sees the name of the hotel Lion while roaming around, while moving. It sometimes appears as a lion, sometimes as number 17. Then Prabhakar runs to IG Khanna and tells him that number 17 and lion are the same. IG Khanna does not believe him and telling that many important people are present there. And lion is his friend as well. So he asks Prabhakar not to reveal this matter to everyone. Prabhakar shares this with Sapna and says that in such a situation, no one will be able to harm Seth Deendayal. They should go to his house and reveal all his secrets and kill him. After this, Prabhakar lets all the trucks of Seth Deendayal go freely. Our inspector sees him doing this, and then he tells IG Khanna that these days Prabhakar's activities have completely changed. He is now allowing illegal trucks to pass freely. IG Khanna gets upset and hearing this, but he has full faith on the inspector's words and wants to investigate it. Kali Charan, in the guise of Prabhakar, completely in connivance with Seth Deendayal, goes to a slum and asks people about distributing lots of clothes and other gifts, saying that Seth Deendayal ji will also be present in the evening. After this, the program starts there in evening, along with the distribution of gifts among the villagers in the village. Prabhakar sings song and dances with the dancer in the colorful program. Through this song, he talks to Seth Deendayal, alias Lion, who is present there, about knowing his secret. After this, when the weather there starts getting bad, Seth Deendayal, suspecting Prabhakar, leaves the place in his car. Then for the rest of the program, Sapna and Prabhakar start singing their love songs. After this, when Prabhakar reaches his house and sees the picture of the children, he expresses surprise on seeing IG Khanna here. He questions IG Khanna about his being here. Then IG Khanna says that David was right in saying that A criminal is a criminal. After all, today you have shown your true colors. There are one Prabhakar who was known for his duty, and then there is you, who has joined hands with criminals to earn money. You have betrayed me. On this, Kalicharan, disguised as Prabhakar, says that what does he get in return for his work? Only money enough to buy 2 breads. With this money, he cannot even take care of his children. Then, throwing the illegal money kept in the cupboard on Kalicharan, disguised as Prabhakar, I.G. Khanna says that I am enough to take care of my children. But I trusted you, and you betrayed me and gave me death. You will have to pay the price for that, and for this I am arresting you. Getting the chance, Kalicharan, disguised as Prabhakar, attacks I.G. Khanna's hands, due to which his revolver falls, and Kalicharan, disguised as Prabhakar, escapes from there. I.G. Khanna informs an inspector about Prabhakar's escape and asks him to catch him. Police are chasing Kalicharan, disguised as DSP Prabhakar, in vehicles to catch him fleeing on a motorcycle. Many times when they came face to face, Kalicharan, disguised as DSP Prabhakar, jumps high from his motorcycle and reaches Sid Dindayal's house without getting caught by the police. Here Sid Dindayal is seen with Jack and several criminals. He asks Sid Dindayal to release his children abducted. Sid Dindayal, who will still know him as DSP Prabhakar, gives him a task in exchange for releasing his kidnapped children. The task is to send a lot of wheat and other food grains from a government warehouse in Bombay to Gujarat. Before he leaves this warehouse has to be blown up. The security arrangements at this warehouse are very tight. DSP Prabhakar can go there with his men. His man will plant a landmine and blow up the entire warehouse. When he sees Prabhakar hesitating a bit, he calls out number 3. Then Sethi appears there. On seeing Sethi, Kalicharan, disguised as Prabhakar, gets furious and runs to kill him. Then Sethi also fights with Kalicharan. Sid Dindayal, alias Lion's men, stops the both fighting. Sethi tells him that this DSP is not Prabhakar but Kalicharan, who is a simple man. Earlier he used to work with him in a gunpowder factory. However, DSP Prabhakar Kalicharan tries to refute his statement by saying that he is one of his fugitive prisoners and hence he is lying. Then Sid Dindayal asks him something in English which Kalicharan as a DSP is unable to answer. Then Sid Dindayal brings DSP Prabhakar's child there and asks Sethi to beat him and peel off his skin. As soon as Sethi moves towards the children with a whip, similarly, Kalicharan, disguised as DSP Prabhakar, reveals his secret. On this, Sid Dindayal says that now both the doors are closed for you. The police, as well as here, he will have to do this work today, and then he sends Sethi and men with Kalicharan, disguised as DSP Prabhakar. Meanwhile, DSP Prabhakar informs his confident men about this, who tells this to Sapna. Sapna then goes to IG and reveals to IG about with Anju that you are already known that he is Kalicharan, but still he agrees to face all the trouble on your insistence, and you are accusing him of betrayal. His life is in danger. Please save him, or else tomorrow no Kalicharan will be ready to become DSP Prabhakar. IG Khanna is impressed by this and he sends policemen around Dindayal's hideouts. Kalicharan, disguised as DSP Prabhakar, comes to the main door of the warehouse and introduces himself as DSP and goes inside the warehouse with those criminals. The criminals quickly starts planting the landmine there. After planting the landmine, Sethi tells his men that along with setting the government warehouse on fire with the mine, Kalicharan too has to be killed in it. On this, Kalicharan runs towards Sethi in an aggressive posture and snatches his gun and drops it. But by then, the other criminals accompanying Sethi overpower Kalicharan, and Sethi is about to kill him when Saka attacks Sethi and the other criminals. He also succeeds in killing some criminals, but the criminals who came with Sethi ties both Kalicharan and Saka to a pillar and goes outside to explode the bomb. Meanwhile, IG Khanna supports Seth Deen Dayal's hideout all the sides. Due to this, the sound of PP starts coming in Seth Deen Dayal's office, and he understood that the police had surrounded him from all sides. Then he talks to his trusty criminals about going out through a secret route. While he was going out through this route, he found IG Khanna standing there and talked about arresting him. On this, Seth Deen Dayal brought DSP Prabhakar's child in front of him. Then he threatened to kill the children and asked IG Khanna to throw his revolver. Then he moves forward to arrest IG Khanna. Just then Sapna frees all the cause from behind and create a stampede there. Taking advantage of this opportunity, the IG picks up his pistol and then starts chasing Seth Deen Dayal. While running, Seth Deen Dayal goes to the seashore, and now he finds no way to escape. Before blowing up the government warehouse, Shetty goes outside and checks all the connections. Meanwhile, the site of Kalicharan Saka, whom Shetty had tied to a pillar with the intention of killing them with the explosion, falls on a criminal lying dead with a knife tied on his waist in front of them. Saka, with great difficulty, removes the knife stuck in his waist with his feet and gives it to Kalicharan, who cuts all the bonds and first of all disconnects the circuit of the explosive devices set by Shetty. When the explosion does not take place despite Shetty's attempts to explode, Shetty's men taunt him. Then Shetty says that his attack does not go in vain. Now he will change the track of the trains passing through here towards the gunpowder depot. Even though the passengers in the train will also die in the explosion, all the grains in the warehouse will be burnt and Kalicharan and Saka will also be killed. Meanwhile, both Kalicharan and Saka arrives and stops Shetty and his men from changing the railway tracks. Then a fierce fight takes place between the two groups. Kalicharan and Saka kill many criminals who came with Shetty, but Saka is also killed in this. Kalicharan hugs him and starts crying. Then Shetty, seeing a train coming, goes to change the track of the train to make it collide with the gunpowder depot and destroy the grain stored in the warehouse. Seeing this, Kalicharan runs and snatches the track-changing lever from Shetty's hands and restores it, causing the train to go on its right track, and the passengers as well as the grain in the warehouse are saved safely. During this time, Shetty beats Kalicharan badly, but as soon as the train passes, Kalicharan beats Shetty to death and takes revenge of his sister's insult. When Seth Deen Dayal, who was running away from IG Khanna due to the fear, reaches at the seashore, does not find any way out, then he starts apologizing to IG Khanna for his action. On this, IG Khanna tells him that you remember when once I told you that I will take revenge for the murder of DSP Prabhakar myself. Today that time has come. Saying this, he shoots Seth Deen Dayal alias Lion. By then, Kalicharan also arrives there, and Sapna also comes there with Anju and DSP Prabhakar's two children. After this, everyone celebrates that IG Khanna has turned a dreaded criminal into DSP Prabhakar, due to which not only DSP Prabhakar's child got his father back, but Kalicharan also got a wife like Sapna, and the crime ends in the city, and thereby the story ends with this reunion.